So I've never been to India. It is on my life list. Where's the first place I should go in India?
Depends on the experience you want. India is such a huge country where every state literally has its own, like a different spoken language, a different written language, different clothes, different facial features. If we ever broke up, we could probably be different countries. That's how diverse
it is. Yeah.
Yeah, so it depends on the experience. India can give you like a modern, food-loving party experience.
Food. Modern food.
Everywhere. Any state in India that you want to go.
You're not making this easy, man.
I know. But you can't go to India for like 5 days. It's an experience.
No.
You have to experience
You went for 2.
Well, I live there.
I know.
You know, when you live there, it's like, yeah, whatever. It's my country.
How long would you go for? How long you need?
I think at least 10. At
10
least
days.
10
That's
days.
like
at least.
That's like a year in my life.
I know,
so
me too.
I could do that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
But 10 days is great. You can travel like to India. You can go up north to the Himalayas. You can go down south to Kerala for the beaches and the backwaters. It's really beautiful. You can get such a huge, different experience in India.
And I mean, it's so big. I would imagine there is no one season. But if you had to pick a month of the year,
I would not pick summer.
Don't pick summer.
Don't pick summer. You don't want to be at like 110 degrees. But if you go up north, you want to pick summer because it gets really cold.
Oh, I see. Of course.
You know, by the snow and stuff, it gets really cold.
So anything other than the dead of summer, I'm good.
Yeah, anything other than like December, November, like that's a really good time.
Maybe a little holiday trip with the hub.
Yeah.